Hello, if you are new here and you are not subscribed, just go to the bell. There's a bell at the base. Just click the bell button and get subscribed, so that as updates are dropping, you are following the updates back to back. Are you with me? Ensure you are subscribed. It does not cost you anything. Just click the subscription bell. That's all. You're not paying for it. Just click the subscription bell and ensure you are subscribed. And take notes. Also join our WhatsApp community. It is called the 350 Gang community. And see like minds. The link of the WhatsApp is below. Just click the WhatsApp link and belong to our community. Now, since we have discussed from base 10 to another base, in this class, let us focus on conversion from one base to another base. Are you with me? Take note that I said that all my examples are past questions. So I use past questions as example. Quickly, Jamb 1978 question 1. The question says convert 241 in base 5 to base 8. Now, how do we convert that now? The first thing to do is to say 241. What base is it? Is in base 5. So first we convert it to base 10. We add 0 here, we add 1 here, we add 2. So this is the same thing as saying 2 times 5 square plus, you know how to convert to base 10, right? 4 times 5 raised to power 1 plus 1 times 5 raised to power 0. Now from here, this is 5 squared, that's 25. 25 times 2, that becomes what? 50 plus this is 1. 5 raised to power 1 is 5. 4 times 5 is 20 plus 5 raised to power 0. What's 5 raised to power 0? 5 raised to power 0 is what? 1. And 1 times 1 is 1. And if you total that, you're going to get 71. This is 71 in base 10. Now let's now convert this 71 in base 10 and to base 8. You know how to do that, right? I'm going to rule here. This now becomes 71. I'm converting to base 8. So how many times we 8 go into this? 8 times 8 is 64, right? Why 8 times 9 is 72. 72 is already bigger, so it will be 8 times 8. What's 8 times 8? That's 8 here. 8 times 8 is 64. So what's 71 minus 64? Let's do 71 minus 64. And this here will give me this, borrow 6. This becomes your what? 11. What's 11 minus 6? 11 minus 4. That will give me 7, right? 7, yes. So remainder 7. So now what can go? 8 can still go. If 8 goes here, it will be 1, right? 8 times 1 is 8. What will remainder? Remainder what? 0. 8 will still go. Now 8 into this, that will give me what? 6. 8 is already bigger than this. That will give me 0, right? Remainder will bring this down, right? So remainder 1. So now the next thing now is to take your arrow upward. That becomes 107. And 107 base what? 107 base 8. And if you check that very well, that becomes your what? Your option B. Option B say 107 base 8. I hope you understand that. Quickly, let's take the next question. 2006 question 26. The question says convert 2232 base 4 to a number in base 6. The first thing to do is to convert to base 10. That becomes 2232 base 4. How do you convert it to base 10? That becomes 0, 1, 2, 3. So that becomes 2 times 4 raised to power 3 plus 2 times 4 raised to power 2 plus 3 times 4 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 4 raised to power 0. And that becomes what's 4 cubed? That's 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is what? 64, right? So 64 times 2. 64 times 2. That will give me 128. So that becomes 128 plus 4 square is 16. 16 times 2 is 32. Plus 4 raised to power 1. What's 4 raised to power 1? 4 raised to power 1 is 4, and 4 times 3, 12. Plus, what's 4 raised to power 0? 4 raised to power 0 is what? 1, and 1 times 2, that becomes what? 2. And if you total that, that will give you 128 plus 32 plus 12 plus 2. Now let's total that, since we are not. That become 128 plus 32. This 128 plus 32. That will give me 10, carry 1. 2 plus 35 plus 1, 6. That's 160. 160 plus 14. That will give me 174. This is in base 10. Now this 174 in base 10. So let's convert that now. 174 now become 174 in base 6. How do you convert that in base 6? How many times will 6 go into 174? So 6 into 74 will give me 29. Check 29 times this. That will give me 6 times 9, 54, carry 1, right? And 2 times 6, that becomes, let's do that, let's be short, 29 times 6. That will give me, here will give me 4, 54, right? Carry 5, 12 plus 5, 174. So remainder what? Remainder what? 0. So 6 can still go. How many times will 6 go into 29? 6 times 3, 18. 6 times 4, 25. Why 6 times 5, 30? So it will go 4 times. Right? 6 times 4. What? 6 times 4, 24. So 24 minus that will give me what? 24. That's 29 minus 24. 29 minus 24. That will give me what? 5. So remainder what? 5. Are you seeing that? So what again can go? 6 can still go, but 6 is bigger, it will be 0. Remember, you bring this 4, so here will be 4. So take our arrow upward. That becomes 450 base 6. And that becomes your what? Option. Do you understand that? 460 towards to base 6. Let's take the next question. 2012 question 2. The question says convert 72 to a number base in base 3. So first of all, 72 base 6, let's convert it to base 10. That becomes 72. That will give me 0, 1. That becomes 7 times 6 raised to power 1 plus 2 times 6 raised to power 0. And that becomes 42, right? Plus 6 raised to power 0. What's 6 raised to power 0? 1. And 1 times 2 is 2, which is equal to what? 44. This is in base 10. Now let's convert 44 base 10 now to base. That becomes 44 divided by 3. Now, how many times will 3 go into this? 3 here, first of all, this should be 1, right? Bring down 3, that's 14. 14 into 3 is 4, right? That's 14. Remainder 2. Let's be very sure. What's 14? 14 times 3. 14 times 3 will give me 12. Carry 1. This will give me 3, 42. So that's, if you minus from that, that's 14. Remainder what? 2. Are you seeing that? So 3 can still go. 3 here will give me 4, because 3 times 4 is 12. Remainder 2. Are you seeing the way I'm taking my time to do it? Don't rush it in the exam or so that you won't miss it. Now, 3 can still go. 3 here will give me 1. Remainder 1, right? 3 can still go. 3 can go. That will be 0. Remainder. This 1 will come, right? This will come down here, 1. So if you take it upward, it now become 1, 1, 2, 2. Base what? Base 2. What can you see? We said that one of the properties we said in the base is that every number is, all the numbers in that base will be less than the actual base. You can see that the base is in base 3 and the highest number there is what? Is 2. Do you understand that? Quickly, that brings us to the end of this class. Are you with me? Now in the next class, we'll now be taking the operations and we're going to start with addition and subtraction. Pause the video, take it over and over and over again. Are you with me? And at the end of the day, you will join the 350 gang. See you in the next